Objective. Split the mesh, join, and weld into the final pattern pieces. Select the car seat, then click on the Explode button to break the mesh up into individual pieces. Start selecting all the mesh pieces that will make up a single pattern piece. Then click the Join button. Right-click to repeat the last command used while selecting the pieces. Repeat these steps until you have created all of the pattern pieces. Select all of the mesh pieces. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Mesh button. In the pop-up, click the Weld button. In the command line, type 180 and press Enter to set the angle tolerance. Press Enter again to finish the command. Weld creates unified mesh pieces by merging coincident mesh vertices. Mesh pieces that have been welded can no longer be exploded. ExactFlat's adaptive remesher tool cannot work on joined mesh pieces that have not been welded. Select all the mesh pieces. Right-click on the adaptive remesh layer and click Copy Objects to Layer. Set the adaptive remesh layer as the active layer and turn off the mesh layer. Key result. The pattern pieces have been defined and are now ready for flattening.